Bonjour!
Bonjour.
Bonjour! You player! You are like NBA?
NBA, yeah.
Victor Wembanyama,
Wembanyama, exactly.
Nicolas Batum, Tony Parker. So yung guess ko, mas matanda pa pala ako dito. Gising ko lang mga gar. Sir!
Yes, sir.
How many years old? 21?
21, 23.
21 and 23.
Justin, the boss.
The boss, 25 years old. But both of three of us was handsome.
Handsome.
Was perfect.
Oh, sir.
Perfect service.
So yung mga guest ko, bata pa pero ang gagwapo. 21, 22. At bago kami pumunta dyan mga gar, napagtanong ko nga kung magkaano-ano sila. Magkapatid pala to, 21 tsaka 23 ang edad. Can you shout out me, Justin Bieber?
Justin Bieber. Shout out to Justin Bieber. Shout out to Justin Bieber.
All good, all good.
All good, all good.
All good in the hood. Itong guest ko na to, papakainin ko ng kamyas na naman. Siyempre, kamyas gaming tayo mga gar. Kukuha tayo ng bagong pitas na kamyas. Ay, nasa baba. At nakita ko nga wala nang bunga sa taas, kaya napilitan akong bumaba mga gar. Ngayon sa taas, bumaba ako. Ang laki ng kamyas tabi-tabi nuno. Ito, hindi maliit lang, baka mamaya hindi magustuhan. Ito, okay. Kamyas na tayo, bagong pitas. Siyempre, kahit bagong pitas yan, kailangan sanitize natin yan. Sheesh! Sanitize. It's fruit called kamyas.
How you eat that?
You can directly eat. Crack.
Like that?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, after you eat, I eat.
Eat first.
Me?
It's spicy.
Oh, il était pas sûr.
Delicious.
Non.
Why? Try a little bit.
Il a mis sa chicote dedans.
Like this.
It's good, Oh, really, it's good.
That called kamyas. It's much better if at a little bit salt.
Ah, okay.
Late. Dahil pupunta pala to ng Palawan bukas yung mga sakay ko sa Coron, sa El Nido. Yan, bumili sila ng souvenir. Souvenir.
I will try what color. I don't know what color available.
Oh, mais c'est marrant qu'on prenne à deux, sinon c'est...
One slash.
At yun, pinapaliwanag nga ni ate na yung damit na bibili nila is local made or handmade ng mga Pinoy. Paghahabi yung tawag dyan mga gar, kaya medyo expensive ng konti yan. Pero may effort yung paggawa nung ganyang klase ng damit mga gar. At yun, pagsakay nga nila ng Philippine Lamborghini, nagpapatugtog kami mga gar. Lamborghini, let's go!
Hey, Justin, yeah.
All good in the hood!
C'est le S, attends, motherfuck.
Yeah! So sir, I hope you enjoy our tour.
Very good.
Perfect, the best guy.
For
best service.
Yeah.
By the way, sir, what's your name?
Guillaume.
Hume.
Romain,
Romain.
yeah.
Hume and Romain, I hope you enjoy the tour.
Very good. The best tour in my life.
All good?
Alias Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
The best driver. Lamborghini.
All good?
Very good man. Very good man and very beautiful man too.
All
The
good?
girl.
All good in the hood?
Ready for a girl. We have to find a girl for him.
All good in the hood.
All good in the hood. Orale!